Options Trading for Beginners. A Beginner's Guide to Option Trading. What is options trading and how to start options trading? Written by Benjamin Barret. Narrated by Paul Songer. Copyright 2020 Benjamin Barret. All rights reserved. The content contained within this book may not be reproduced, duplicated, or transmitted without direct written permission from the author or the publisher. Under no circumstances will any blame or legal responsibility be held against the publisher or author for any damages, reparation, or monetary loss due to the information contained within this book, either directly or indirectly. Legal notice. This book is copyright protected. This book is only for personal use. You cannot amend, distribute, sell, use, quote, or paraphrase any part or the content within this book without the consent of the author or publisher. Disclaimer notice. Please note the information contained within this document is for educational purposes only. All effort has been executed to present accurate, up-to-date, and reliable complete information. No warranties of any kind are declared or implied. Readers acknowledge that the author is not engaging in the rendering of legal, financial, medical, or professional advice. Introduction. Just about every person is afraid of investing in the stock market. And since options trading is a part of the stock market, they don't bother learning about it. Some of them claim that trading on the stock market is a dynamic process that requires urgent solutions to make a lot of money, while other people think it's pure luck. Most of the time, people lose their money. You see, you get an option contract in options trading. And within the time frame of the contract, you have the choice of either buying, selling, handing over rights, or just holding on to them. This asset management gives you endless options that can potentially lead to more profits. And that's the underlying reason why smart investors chose to invest in options trading instead of buying the underlying stock. And of course, buying an option contract is much cheaper than the actual stock, bond, or product. And on top of that, they have to manage a number of shares at a lower price. Now that you have a strong introduction to the options trading space, let's get you behind the scenes so that you can learn how to exploit it to gain even more. To begin with, you will start by learning the difference between stocks and options and how they relate to each other. You can also understand the words used in trading options. Next, you'll be armed with various tactics that you can choose from time to time to maximize your position, as well as some do's and don'ts that you should keep in mind when trading options. These are just the basics. And I would suggest that you start by practicing options trading in fake environments. There are websites that allow you to practice this without losing real money. Or, if you feel bold enough, you can take on the real world of choices. Congratulations again on the purchase of this book. Now, let us begin. Part 1. What are options, and how do they work? Chapter 1. The concept of options explained. Options are a common way of trading in the stock market because of their versatility. But this of course means that the investor should know his or her risk appetite to ensure that they do not lose more money than they can afford. Another explanation why it is appealing to most investors is that it gives the investor the ability to manage their position if the stock index changes. Since the 1970s, option markets have worked through major stock exchanges in many countries. In most cases, these markets have also seen substantial growth in both the number
Sample complete. Ready to continue?